Sir, dito kayo. Vice.
Nice. Ayan. Audits ka, Vice.
Sige po. Sabay-sabay po tayo magbilang. In 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oh.
Ganap na po.
Gusto pikasal.
Sino po? Ikaw, Ate Logi. Ulit tayo in 3, 2, 1. Bachelor of Medicalization Laboratory of Hospital Maynila Medical Center is a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to advancing cardiac care and enhancing health and well-being of our community, licensed by the Department of Health on January 7, 2025. Inaugurated this September 8, 2025, signed by our Honorable, palakpakan po natin, Francisco Isko Moreno Gumales. Maraming salamat po.
Mamaya ba dapat?
Muli po sa lahat po na naging bahagi po ng ating inauguration ng